Number 4. Breville Sous Pro 16. Meet the Breville Sous Pro 16. If you cook for a family or love throwing dinner parties, this food processor is the game changer you've been waiting for. This kitchen beast features a generous 16-cup bowl with measurement lines. Forget messing up multiple measuring cups, just pour directly in. Compared to other food processors, this one's capacity is a big win for large families or party prep. Several attachments come in the box, including a julienne disc and a French fry cutting disc. There's even a dough blade. Smaller jobs? Use the handy 2.5-cup mini bowl and blade. Others don't offer this kind of versatility and ease of use. Despite its serious power, it's quieter than most food processors. One user even mentioned making a big bowl of fries in minutes and pesto in seconds. You'll love how this thing just makes light work of any task. And let's not forget the cleanup. While it's not zero effort, it's easier than you'd expect for a machine this powerful. What's not to like? Honestly, it's the investment required. But here's the thing, you really do get what you pay for with the Breville Sous Pro 16. It's a cut above in performance and efficiency. Still searching for the perfect food processor? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.